Myself Nico, just a common man like you all, middle class, knows the importance of money. I am not too rich to flaunt upon nor too poor that could not buy basic needs. One day, I excitedly bought an expensive gadget, feeling on top of the world, until a week later, my phone screen shattered, and I had no savings for repair. Watching my useless phone sit there, I realized, spending feels good for a moment, but saving prepares you for life's unexpected blows. That's the day I truly understood the power of saving money. As a shy child can't ask my parents for some more bucks. And then realize why they always said to work hard. Otherwise I won't get good job and have to spread hands, rely on others to get some money, and that again a great scare as an introvert. What is save money? Saving money is the act of setting aside a portion of your income for future use. Setting aside money that you don't immediately spend is known as saving. It might also entail cutting back on expenditures. Setting aside money that you don't immediately spend is known as saving. It might also entail cutting back on expenditures. It involves delaying spending that money now so it can be used for later goals, emergencies, or investments. This could be for anything from a small purchase like a new toy to a larger goal like a down payment on a house or retirement. Essentially, saving is about making conscious choices about spending to build financial security and achieve your aspirations. It's not just about saying no to treats, it's about saying yes to your dreams. Pro tip: if you save $5 each week, in a month you'll have $20, and in a year, you'll have $260. That's enough for a really awesome bike. Saving is like having a superpower that helps you make your dreams come true. When is the right time to save money? The practical answer is that saving money is a wise financial strategy at any age, regardless of when you begin working and earning money for yourself. The best time to save money is now. It's never too early or too late to start. Even small amounts saved regularly add up over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Whether you're a kid with pocket money, a young adult starting your career, or someone planning for retirement, establishing a savings habit is key. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow, making your dreams, big or small, more attainable. Now comes the hardest part: how can we save money? In this inflation modern world, saving money in today's world can feel like a challenge, but it's definitely possible. Here are some one-to-one tactics that work for everyone, from kids to adults. 1. Track your spending. Use a notebook or a simple app to write down everything you spend, even small things like candy. This helps you see where your money goes. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track expenses. Categorize them to identify areas where you can cut back. 2. Make a budget. Create a monthly budget that includes income, expenses, and savings goals. Stick to it as much as possible. 3. Needs versus wants. Differentiate between essential expenses, housing, food, transportation, and non-essential ones, entertainment, dining out. Prioritize needs over wants. 4. Smart shopping. Compare prices before buying anything. Look for sales or discounts. Use coupons, cashback apps, and compare costs online before making purchases. Consider buying generic brands or second-hand items. 5. Save automatically. Kids out there, ask your parents to help you set up a savings account and deposit a portion of your allowance regularly. If you are grown up, then set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Be patient and persistent. Saving takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Stay focused on your savings goals and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference over time. Start saving today and build a brighter financial future. I appreciate you all for being up till now. As a reward now, you will be getting great hacks to become pro in saving money. How can we save money? I've got a perfect strategy for you. Let's call it the 10x growth rule, a smart and easy way to grow your savings each month using a stepwise increase. You start with a small, manageable amount and increase it slightly every month. Let's assume you start with $5, or 500 Indian rupees, in the first month, and every month, you increase the savings by $5 more than the previous month. Here's how it adds up. Let's divide it as month amount saved, total saving. First month, 5, saving is 5, then second month, amount is 10, so total saving would be 15. Now every next month, you increase your savings to 5 amount. See how total amount saving is getting increased. It gives your mind psychological boost. Watching your savings grow fast keeps you motivated. Since it's a gradual increase, it won't feel like a burden on your monthly budget. If increasing every 5 you are used to, then you can gradually increase the amount or can start with small amount like $1 or $2, rupees 100 or rupees 200. At the end of the year, you have a whopping $390 or 39,000 Indian rupees saved just by following this simple rule. You can even invest it to grow further, like stock market, gold, banks, FDs. Now investing is again another vast topic. If you want, comment in comment section, best productive invest methods. I will surely drop one soon. The painful part comes. Why we are not able to save money. Difficulty saving money is often caused by common struggles, high expenses, lack of a structured budget, no emergency fund, lack of clearly defined goals, high credit card debt, or large student loans. To overcome savings obstacles, focus on managing expenses. Everything seems to be getting more expensive: housing, food, transportation, education. This leaves less money for saving after covering the essentials. As people earn more, they tend to spend more on things they didn't have before. This makes it harder to save because expenses increase along with income. Not everyone receives adequate education on budgeting, saving, and investing. This can make it difficult to make informed financial decisions. It's important to remember that you're not alone in facing these challenges. However, even in this environment, it's still possible to save. By focusing on the strategies we discussed earlier, tracking expenses, budgeting, prioritizing needs over wants, and finding ways to reduce spending, you can make progress towards your financial goals. Okay, am I sounding too much? You all at one point must be thinking why I am doing this. As a finance girl wanted to spread strong community related to money awareness. On one fine day, I saw even rich people don't have proper knowledge about bucks. This pinched me, and I am here now. This is your friendly neighborhood Nico, signing off. See you all in next Money Matters.